So this is called Seljalandsfoss, something like that. Largest waterfall by volume in the world.
That future. That future.
They're going underneath the waterfall, ladies and gentlemen.
That future.
Y'all feel good? Y'all look great. We're about to check out that mode. Made by Britta.
Who's double coated?
Me.
You double coated, bro? Finn! Finn it!
This way, guys. Oh, let's go this way where the road is. Look like Kenny from South Park. Y'all know who that is. Right here.
Coffee. There's coffee.
What? I think I would like coffee. Finn, how you doing, bro? Is that your favorite rock right there? Yeah, it's a good rock. There it is. Once he sees the food, he knows where to go. So y'all rather do this than go to the waterfall? No.
I want water.
You want water?
Come on, it only costs 350.
Only 350.
This makes Daddy sad.
Oh no. Finn's leading the way.
Wait, I gotta get this.
The galloping horse over there. Yes, what you think, girl? What do you think, babe?
It is awesome.
Yeah, it's pretty dope. All right, we had to swap to the GoPro because we're about to go underneath there. Titus and Ezra, super didn't wait on me. Finn, you ready, bud? Yeah, hoppity, hoppity, hoppity. Whoa, whoa, whoa! 1, 2, 3, up. Here we go. Hi, guys. Thank you. Man, what do you think? You like it? Yeah. Look, there's a waterfall. You see it? Oh yeah, he got it. That's what's up. Look at that. Say hello, Iceland. Say I love pizza.
I love Super Mario Galaxy 2.
Super Mario Galaxy 2. Ezra. 3. Ah. That water's real. It's coming at us. Cheese. What happened? There we go. Well, goodbye, waterfall. You were fun and very moist. Dude, that's... I don't know if you guys heard, but last one down's a rotten egg. Oh, that's not us.
It's not me.
No, Ezra, you gonna be a rotten egg, girl. Any final thoughts, Ezra?
Hungry.
Hungry. I think we can all agree with that thought. Well, hello, madam. How was your non-trip under the waterfall?
It was amazing.
But it was a lot drier than ours.